Sponsored by Beyond Beauty Hair.
So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have a hair video, you guys. So excited. This hair video is sponsored by Beyond Beauty Hair on Amazon. All the links that you need to know about this company, about this hair, it's all going to be down in the description box down below. But from my understanding, inside of this box right here, it is 10 packs of crochet hair, and it is a passion twist. So let's get into this box. I've never had an Amazon box that looks like that. It looks like all the hair is in here. Okay, so it comes with a crochet needle. That's really awesome. I wasn't expecting that, but we're not using that crochet needle. So it comes with all the packs of hair that you need to crochet your hair. My plan with this hair is to just untwist it, and I'm gonna retwist it myself. But let's get into what this hair actually looks like. So the company did want me to review the 14-inch one. I don't know why, when everybody, you know, they like their long hair. Let's take the first set out. Put my trash over here. Also doesn't have a weird smell, so we love that. So, okay. This feels really springy, really springy. So that's what these look like right here. Really springy, really cute. So when you stretch it, it's longer than that. But I'm thinking that I may double up these twists because they're so tiny, you know what I'm saying? But I know they'll bulk up a little bit. But let's get into how I'm about to do my hair and all the products that I need. I do have an assortment of clips, and I do have my edge brush. And then I have this sealant stuff that I got from Aunt Jackie. That's just to like help hold the hair. For my finishing look, I do have some mousse from Maui Moisture. My hair is already washed, deep conditioned, all that good stuff. And I pre-planked my hair this morning. So that's the thing. We'll show you guys the back. Pre-planked it this morning. So I have 20 back here, and I have about 19 in the front. I did get this technique from the Chic Natural. I'm going to link her video down in the description box. So I'm just going to unravel individually. Now you do not have to unravel yours. You can put yours in here like normal. And like I said, I feel like I want to use 2 of these at a time to braid, because I got so much hair, you know what I'm saying? Have both of them. I'm gonna add just a little bit of this Aunt Jackie stuff. And as I'm doing the front, I will be molding my edges, so, or getting them as slick as I can, because I don't know how to do my edges. I'm just gonna take the hair, twist it together. And if this is the part that you don't know how to braid, this is not a braiding tutorial. I can't teach you how to braid because I don't know how to explain it. But once I have that braided down enough, I'm just going to simply start twisting away. And I'm gonna use some of this sealant to help me. So I'm simply going to just cut the bottom. And this is what it's looking like. That looks really cute. I'm digging it. I am digging it. This is what everything's gonna look like. But you guys, decided that every time I open up a new pack, I'm going to already start unraveling them so that this process can go a little bit quicker for me, because your girl is used to braiding her hair up within, like, I would say 4 hours max. This is 2 hours later so far. This is what I have. I stopped doubling them because I realized I didn't have to, because they puffed up by themselves anyways. But this is what they're looking like. And it feels so lightweight. Like this is not, it's not heavy at all. This is how long it is so far. Coming right here to like boob length. So we love that. And it's the color 1B. I don't know if I said that, but I feel like y'all can kind of see it. But my hair is like a brown. It's not like, it's not black. It's like a brown. But yes, I haven't had 1B in my head. Just 1B in a long time. But probably since middle school. And child, I'm 26, so it's a long time ago. Girl is done with her hair. It took me like 4 hours. I have 4 bundles of hair left. So mind y'all, this was 14-inch hair and I stretched it. Not really. It's just that when I took the twist down, it stretched itself. But I'm gonna flash on the screen. Well, you guys probably already seen the video of me like styling the hair in the beginning of this. But to go to sleep tonight, since it is day 1 of this type of style, I'm going to use mousse. Now, I got my inspiration to do my passion twist like this because of the Chic Natural. I feel like I told you guys that earlier in this video. And I'm gonna do exactly what she did. Mousse. I'm moussing it just for extra security and hold for this style. And then I'm gonna put mine up in a ponytail for the night. Or really a bun, because I want to tuck the ends. And I'm going to oil my scalp, so. I know some girls do put, like when they're finished doing their passion twist or like twist styles, they mousse their scalp. And I'm just so confused with that. Like, why do you mousse your scalp? Oh, look at her.
That's good.
Thank you. It only took me 5 hours. Oiling my scalp. Right now, your girl is tired of touching on her hair. I'm done. I'm over it. Putting the rest of the oil on the hair itself. Okay. So, put the oil there. I'm just gonna pull this all up into like a bun type situation. And y'all, this hair is so lightweight. Like, so lightweight. There's nothing heavy about this at all. So, if you're looking for a style this summer that gives you that lightweightness, get you some passion twist or like those twisty styles. And I'm about to just tuck everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you and shout out to Beyond Beauty Hair on Amazon. All the links for this hair and everything you need to know is down in the description box down below as always, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.